On behalf of the family, I'd like to welcome Cian James Cole into the family, although he has been very much part of it for a long time. But today it's official. I asked Cian what he thought about Eden, and he said, when he first saw her at her 18th birthday party, she was the prettiest girl on the dance floor. On behalf of us all here today, we thank you both for letting us share this very special day with you. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, and those who still can, please be upstanding and raise your glasses in a toast to the new Mr. and Mrs. Cole and their greatest achievement so far, as we wish them both all the love and happiness they could possibly wish for as they go on life's great journey together. Family and friends, the bride and groom. Lucky da.
I, Cian James Cole.
Take you, Eden Victoria Kernock.
Take you, Eden Victoria Kernock.
To be my wedded wife.
To be my wedded wife.
I promise that I will love you.
I promise that I will love you.
Cherish you.
Cherish you.
Honour and respect you.
Honour and respect you.
And be faithful to you.
And be faithful to you.
For as long as we both shall live.
For as long as we both shall live.
Cian, I give you this ring.
As a symbol of our marriage.
As a symbol of our marriage.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I am, I give to you.
All that I have, I share with you.
All that I have, I share with you.
For the whole of our life together.
For the whole of our life together.
I am delighted to tell you that you are now husband and wife, which means, Cian, you may kiss your bride.
The hardest part of it all was to get it down into words. Eden and I have been through so much, and to explain to you all how that feels in a speech is impossible. A feeling of true love is like no other. The happiness and bliss, the excitement and serenity. It's almost like an ache to know how much someone means to you and be so comfortable around another person. These words don't come close to the feelings I have for Eden, and I'd be here all day trying to describe it. But to save us all melting away, I'll move on. I'm constantly conflicted with how I want my life to play out, and I often imagine the different paths I could go down in terms of career, education and purpose. But whenever I envisage these different scenarios, the one core constant throughout it all is you.
May your days be filled with love, laughter, adventure, and just the right amount of chaos to keep things interesting. To Cian and Eden.
Over the years, I've known these two, so many amazing memories, so many amazing stories to tell. Cian and Eden, obviously, it's been such a pleasure to know you all these years. You've been amazing, amazing friends. I think we all knew, this is where it was going to end up, and you were going to be the first to get it done. I know you've set the standard now.